Welcome to More Sound, and today we have an iHome multifunction alarm clock radio iPod dock, which I unfortunately cannot test. The model number of this is IP90. What we can test is the radio. I just had to readjust my antenna there. Hitting the wrong button. We can adjust the bass and treble as well. I forgot to mention that. Here's radio. Here's the AM radio, which I cannot receive, and aux in. I was gonna set the alarm clock, but I just chose not to. I can show you the dimmer function. You can completely turn the backlight off if you want to. Whew. That will be the end of our demo and review of the iHome IP90 multifunction alarm clock radio with iPod dock and aux in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for shopping at More Sound. Hope you will continue to shop with us for years to come. And we still haven't made any sales on Mercari or Poshmark, so consider buying from those places. Goodbye.